Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're standing aboard the 2020 Boston Whaler 380 Helm. This boat is absolutely incredible, very, very clean, low hours, so we'll take you through a quick walkthrough of this beautiful trade. This boat is equipped with the quad 400 horsepower inline 6-cylinder Mercury Verado outboards. Joystick piloting and skyhook makes docking a boat like this an absolute breeze. It's also the perfect day boat, fishing, extremely versatile as we step aboard into the cockpit area. Rear facing seat here, this also doubles as a forward facing chair as well. Nice stadium seating, and this can also be put into the comfort of air conditioning with these vents just down below. Face-to-face table, this chair swivels around, table in the middle, again in the AC, just nice and comfortable. To the back of the boat, we have these built-in fish boxes subfloor, nice and insulated with that Boston Whaler unsinkable foam, and just a great layout overall. Insulated cooler right in this chair as well. To the port side galley, we have a grill running off that 110 power, DC refrigerator, sink basin, and additional storage down below. As we come to probably the most important part of the boat for the captain, the helm. So we have triple 16-inch screens, great display, nice and flush with this acrylic. We have the Mercury Vessel View 7-inch display, as well as our Seakeeper and Raymarine VHF up top. Everything from your lights, switches, water levels, fuel levels, everything from the Mercury display is kept right up here on the heads-up display in multiple different versions. Absolutely incredible design by Boston Whaler. There is a comfortable cabin on this boat. As we take a step down, this actually has the teak flooring package, beautiful varnish on the woods, plenty of storage, able to get out there for a nice weekender or just a nice day yacht. As we take a step through the walkthrough, this can actually be transformed from a regular walkthrough to a full coupe design. Nice flush windshield to the outside, but plenty of protection from the elements, even on a windy day like today. As we take a step to the bow, this boat is in absolutely phenomenal shape. Only 120 or so hours on this model. Great lounge capabilities here, covers for everything, and there's a full mooring cover that comes with this boat as well. Automatic table goes up and down, creating a massive sun daybed on this boat, with also the attached shade to the front. So we can have shade from the front of the boat all the way to the back of the boat. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 2020 380 Helm, and for more information, call us or email us at MarineMax.com.